Understanding, circling back to, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, circling back to. This phrase is widely used in both professional and casual conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Circling back to is an idiomatic expression that means returning to a previous topic or point in a conversation or discussion. Imagine a circle. The conversation moves away from the initial topic and then comes back to it, just like completing a circle. This phrase is often used to redirect a conversation or to revisit a topic that was discussed earlier but not concluded or fully explored. 2.1 in professional settings. In professional contexts, such as meetings or emails, circling back to is used to refocus the discussion or bring up a point that was mentioned earlier. It's a polite and effective way to guide a conversation back to an important topic. Example: circling back to our discussion about the marketing strategy, I think we should consider. 2.2 in casual conversations. In informal settings, this phrase can be used to revisit personal topics or ideas that were mentioned in passing but warrant further discussion. Example: circling back to what you said about your trip. How was your experience in Paris? While circling back to is the most common form, there are variations like coming back to, returning to, or revisiting. All these serve the same purpose of steering the conversation back to a previous point. Example: revisiting our earlier conversation. I have some additional thoughts. For those learning English, it's important to practice using circling back to in different contexts. Try incorporating it in your conversations or written communications. Remember, the key is to use it to smoothly transition back to an earlier topic without sounding abrupt. I hope this video helps you understand and use circling back to more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, mastering such phrases can really polish your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!